Stupid Goomba. Oh, it's my girlfriend.
Hey babe, I don't have much time to talk, but I just want to say that I am super excited to see what you have planned for my birthday. Okay, I gotta go. Bye.
No. 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 It can't be. It can't be her birthday. It can't be her birthday. Her birthday isn't until the 16th! Oh my god! I'm so screwed. I am so screwed. I'm so screwed. I ran all over Manhattan trying to find a present. Every store, every jeweler, but I found nothing. Anything I would have bought would have been a dead giveaway that I forgot her birthday. I just couldn't bear to see her in pain over what I had done. So, naturally, I faked my own death. I know it must have hurt her, my friends, my family. It hurt me. But sometimes in life, there are two paths. One hurts one person, the other, a lot of people, but you don't actually have to tell those people you forgot their birthday. I saw her about 10 years later. She was with her husband and 2 kids. I thought about going up to her, but I thought things were better left unsaid. I hear he doesn't forget her birthday.